How to hide an activity in Instagram Reels Friends tab. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to hide an activity in the Friends tab and maintain your privacy by not exposing your liked or commented Reels to your friends? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. Now, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right. Then you will be directed to your Instagram profile page. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top. You will be directed to the settings and activity page. Scroll down until you find Who Can See Your Content section. Here, you will find the option for Activity in Friends tab. Tap on it. By default, Followers You Follow Back option is selected, which is why they could see your activity in the Friends tab. To hide your activity completely, select the No One option. Now, none of your followers will be able to see your liked or commented Reels in the Friends tab. And there you have it. You have successfully hidden your activity from the Instagram Friends tab. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.